The following message is transmitted at the request of New York City Police Department. Residents of New York City, lock all your doors and windows immediately. At approximately 6:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, multiple reports have stated an extremely dangerous robot was last seen roaming around the city of New York and was seen killing people as it sees in its path. A description for this robot cannot be given at this time. All residents in New York City are strongly advised to lock all doors and windows. Do not approach this robot as it's considered extremely dangerous. An evacuation order might be necessary if the robot becomes even more dangerous. There also has been speculation that the robot could be possibly the cause of the burning building and plane crashed into the Brooklyn Bridge, but it's unknown at this time. Police has been called in to deal with the situation. Tune into local TV and radio station for more information on this dangerous situation.